Welcome to Guduvancheri Railway Station. This station is managed by the Southern Railway Zone of Indian Railways. This station has a total number of 5 platforms and 1 foot-over bridge. There is one main entry-exit to the station directly through the main hall. Foot-over bridge 1 has stairs to all platforms. The station manager's office is present on platform 1. Ticket counters are present in the main hall. Divyang toilets are available near the main hall and water boats are available at all the platforms. Wheelchairs and portable ramps are available at the station to help individuals using wheelchairs board the train. Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading to the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities such as toilets and waiting halls to aid those with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that provides an overview of the station and facilities is installed in the main entry hall to aid those with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective paint at the start and end to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio and sign language video about the railway station can be played over the phone by scanning the QR code installed at various locations. This initiative, including the provision of Braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, was driven by Indian Railways in collaboration with Nissan Motors India and executed by Anuprayaas and Voice Trust.